Hi, my name is Joe Legerste with Hoyt Electrical Instruments in Pennacook, New Hampshire, here to talk to you today about current transformers and voltage transformers. These are basic type transformers mostly used in the metering industry, and they are step-down transformers used in applications regarding metering and use in an electrical panel. Why do we need transformers? What do they do? Well, I can answer that today. Today we're going to talk about different types of transformers. We have voltage transformers with different types of fuses, both in medium voltage and low voltage. We have current transformers that use in current applications that are used to drop current down. We have them both square in the SHT series and round in the RL series. And we also have split core CTs, which I'll go over later. Most of these current transformers and voltage transformers are used in the metering industry, like in switchgear or electrical panels, and they are used to drop down voltage and current in applications. These are used in safety applications, so the high voltage or medium voltage gets down to useful voltage in panel applications. Hi, Joe Legerste back again to talk to you about current transformers or instrument transformers used in our industry. We have different types of transformers, mostly window type, split core, multi-ratio, bar type, wound primary, and bushing type transformers. Majority of the transformers that we sell here at Hoyt Electric are solid core transformers. These solid core transformers are utilized in metering. They basically drop current down from a high current down to a low current, and are used again with analog meters, transducers, and applications like that. The split core type transformers are used for applications that are used in existing applications where you don't want to disconnect the cable. The actual transformer itself can be split apart. You can slide it over the cable and mount the insert back in there so you can actually measure the current without having to remove the wire. These are good for retrofit applications and are costly to a point a little bit more expensive than a solid core transformers, but the ease of use is right there. Different types of transformers we offer have different accuracy classes. The accuracy classes that we normally stock are 1%, and when you use in applications in utility grade, they get down to 0.2%. The CT error is basically a little bit lower or higher, depending on how you want to look at it. When you get into the lower current applications and the higher current you go, there's a little bit better accuracy. The current transformers that you buy have different sizes, as you can see, depending on the type of cables that you use, and also the burdens that are required for your load. The burdens, again, is basically how much load are you going to be putting onto each transformer, and they're basically on the outputs. So the amount of resistance or load that the transformer has to emit without having to drop or reduce the current is depending on your application. The insulation class used in our standard panel meters are basically 600 volts. These are standard instrument class transformers. But we do have up to 545 kV insulation available. Most of the transformers that we sell, they're polarized. So that enables you to know a high side or a low side. On a high side type transformer, the actual input of the transformer goes through the high side, the load side goes through the low side. And then the polarization from the output of the transformer connects up to your metering or your transducer or application that you're utilizing. Rating and ratio is also dependent on the type of CT that you have. We have CT ratios from 30 to 5 all the way up to 3,000 to 5, depending on the application. Higher on special order. Basically what they're doing is taking your high current, dropping to low current for use in applications, again, with the metering and transducers. The voltage transformers, or potential transformers as we call them, are used in applications to help drop high voltage or medium voltage or low voltage to applications that can be used in regular home or industry. Our standard transformers that we utilize as voltage transformers, if customers have 480 volts or above, usually want to drop down voltage to a use in an electrical meter, a panel, or some application where it's easily handled. Most applications are utilized or insulated up to 600 volts. But customers like to bring voltage down, especially to electrical panels, to either 120 or 150 volts. That's where these current voltage transformers are utilized. The voltage transformers are designed to come in different ratios, whether 20 to 1, 10 to 1, 5 to 1, 4 to 1, depending on the type of application that you utilized in. These medium voltage transformers take a higher voltage, bring it down to 120 volts, or we have medium voltage or low voltage type transformers that bring down 480 to 120, or 600 to 120, or even 240 to 120. These are used in applications for metering also. Different types of transformers that we utilize are potential transformers, controlled power transformers, distribution transformers, and pad mount transformers. The ratings and ratios that we utilize, again, have a wide variety depending on the application and the voltages being put into it. The insulation and voltage class utilized on our transformers are standard at 600 volts, and we go again up to 545 kV depending on the application. Thermal ratings of our voltage transformer are based on the type of thermal rating that you require. Voltage transformers are based at 30 degrees C as your rating, and those can be 150 VA or 30 VA depending on the type of power or voltage application that you need. The voltage transformer burden, when connected to load to a secondary without causing any error, depends on the type of load, the burden ratio, the CT ratio, and the type of windings that are used in the transformers. I want to thank you again for watching this short video regarding our Magna-Core line of current and voltage transformers. Again, I just want to reiterate, all of these transformers are available in different sizes and different ratios depending on your application. Again, just to reiterate, we have split core transformers, solid core transformers, we have voltage transformers and medium and low voltage applications, as well as various ratios for use in most meter applications. All of these transformers are available from stock and for special orders doing 2- and 3-week delivery. I want to thank you again for watching this short video on Hoyt TV and look forward to more further episodes. At Hoyt we provide product solutions for a wide variety of applications. And be sure to send us any feedback or questions to sales@hoytmeter.com or call us at 1-800-258-3652 and ask for one of our product specialists. Thank you again.